Canada's key interest rate dropped 0.25%. So does this mean that you can buy a house now? And this is a video on the interest rates going down and how it actually hasn't affected anything yet. It has 4 months ago, but right now, this last drop, zero. Let me get right into it. I'm Tristan Ritchie from Lake City Realty. As usual, please like, subscribe. Truly helps. Love making these videos for you guys and can't wait to make more. Every time I get even just a like, I'm still a small channel. It really boosts my confidence and I try to make more videos for you. The prices went up with super low rates, and then the rates went up, which caused the prices to go down. During COVID, as we all know, the prices skyrocketed because the rates went down super low. It was basically what we call free money. The interest rate, you could get below 2%. Like on my house here, I have 1.55. Crazy. That's so low. They're basically just giving you money for free. So everyone jumped into the market, which caused the prices to go super high. They were trying to counteract something different. They weren't trying to counteract the house pricing, right? They were trying to counteract the possible downfall of everyone staying home and not working during COVID. They wanted to put money into the economy. So the prices went crazy. Then they had to backtrack, right? So it's like a skateboard. You know when you start wobbling, you go like crazy, like back and forth, and then you end up falling? Well, they had to go back, zigzag like crazy, and they raised the rates super quick, which caused the prices to fall. In January, we were at a low of prices here in Sudbury. We peaked at like 525, around there, and we were down to like 365. Which is super affordable for your average bungalow here in Sudbury. But then the rates didn't drop and the prices went up, right? So this last rate increase did nothing to our market because the Bank of Canada said earlier this year that they weren't going to raise rates. They were actually going to lower them at some point. We didn't know when. So that lowering of rates caused everyone to gain confidence. So 3-4 months ago, the rate cut was priced in already, which means everyone expected it to come, so they jumped early and started shopping earlier than they normally would. So that's why the market went up like crazy. Here in Sudbury, I'm not sure about other cities. I know Toronto wasn't as crazy as us, but we went up like a lot here, like over 25%. Now we're back down a little bit despite the rate drop. So it went down 0.25%, which is about $15 per 100,000 worth of mortgage, which is very little. Another rate announcement is coming soon, probably another drop, if not holding even, but again, it won't affect much at all. Realtors on TikTok have been saying forever, hey, buy now because if the rate drops, prices are going to get nuts. And I haven't been saying that because if it drops, it's not much. People that can afford homes are buying. They're in the market already. It's not going to change anything unless it drops like 1.5 points and then we get a bunch of investors. Who this has helped the most are people that have been maybe struggling a little bit with their mortgage payments. It's helping a little bit. There's people that already own homes. If it drops again in the next couple weeks, then we're going to see it help a little bit more. So those are the people that are the most affected. Again, if it drops again, we're not going to see a huge boom. We've already seen it. So if you're a shopper out there, just be careful. There's deals. You're not in a rush. You don't have to buy something right away. If you're a seller out there, if you have to sell right now, waiting for the rates to drop won't really help you. If you're losing money on your home right now for any type of reason, I would say sell it earlier than later because the prices aren't on their way up even with the rate drop. So we've already seen the prices increase. They're already pretty high right now. They're actually on their way down. So if you want to talk to a qualified realtor, hey, I'm here to help you at any time. Or if you want to talk to a mortgage specialist because the 5-year fixed have also dropped a little bit, let me know. I got a bunch of people that can help.